Today I'll start that over again. That was definitely a blooper because my tongue got tangled. Starting to learn how to make paper pots. I made a couple of them right here. This was the hardest one. It looks square now, but I really had a hard time making it square, and I actually planted some sweet pepper seeds in there. And then I made a round one. The round one was a lot easier to make. I also have a lot of these biodegradable peat pots that I'm going to plant things in. I'm not going to do that quite yet because it's still a little bit early. Nothing is planted in this one. This one's supposed to be square also, and I thought I was being more careful, but it didn't work so well. And these are two round ones, one using a wider piece of paper, and then a shorter piece of paper. So I have a tall one and a short one. I haven't decided what I'm planting here yet, but I could put carrots in this one because they could start sending down deep roots. And the nice thing is you can transplant them out into the garden without them knowing they've been transplanted, because you just plant the pot and all right into your soil. But it's still too early. We have snow on the ground still. So I'm going to show you how I made the round ones. I'm just going to use a glass, and I'm going to take my paper, and the end that's solid, I'm going to make sure a little bit of it sticks out here. I'm just going to roll it around on the glass all the way around. And then I just take this end, pull it up just a little bit, and then fold it in. Like so. And then I just kind of pinch around the edge. Kind of make it nice and round. Then I pull the glass out. And I just take the top and kind of fold it in just a little bit. Not very much. And there I have my round pot. Fill it up with dirt. Plop some seeds in there, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so that was the easy one. I am not even going to show you the square one because I need to practice it a bunch more times to get it down. It's the very last step that I'm having trouble with. And you can see us sometimes in my videos, no makeup, no hairdo. That's okay. That's how I am when I'm around the house lots of times. Sometimes I'll look pretty when I video, sometimes I won't. Well, that's going to be it for today. As always, happy gardening and God bless.